everyone, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can fix your story not showing problem in your messenger app. But before we start with our video, as usual, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and now we will simply just start our videos. So to sort this problem out, one thing that you'll have to do is you will simply go to your Play Store or your App Store or your apps of your phone browser. Simply go there and check if your messenger app is updated or not, because if it's not updated, then you will have some problem with the new features and some errors and bug messenger app, right? So we'll simply see this update option instead of open over there. Simply update your app and then those problems will be sorted out. And if that's not the case, then you will simply just go to your settings over here and simply go to apps option, go to apps again, search the particular app, or simply scroll down and find. Once the app is there, you will simply go to this option called storage over here, check, and then simply clear your cache from your messenger. This will also remove some of the unnecessary storage and the bugs and the errors that if your app was lagging and was not being able to process. Then the other thing that you can do is you will simply go to your messenger and check if the problem is solved. If you have the story option here, simply tap on it and check it. If it's not fixed, then what you will do is simply reinstall your messenger app and then again get back to your app, log in with your account, and check if your problem is solved or not. So yeah, this is how you can simply solve your problem of your stories in your messenger app, and I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.